The F-22 Raptor, a pinnacle of modern aviation technology. The F-22 Raptor stands as a testament to cutting-edge aviation technology, redefining air superiority in the modern battlefield. Developed by Lockheed Martin in collaboration with Boeing, this fifth-generation stealth fighter was conceived to address emerging threats and maintain the United States' dominance in the skies. Today, the F-22 serves not only as a cornerstone of U.S. air power, but also as a symbol of technological innovation and military strength. Its introduction marked a significant leap forward in aerial combat, setting the standard for future fighter aircraft worldwide. The F-22 Raptor is a marvel of modern aviation engineering, blending stealth, speed, agility, and firepower to achieve unmatched air superiority. Its design reflects the culmination of decades of research and innovation, aimed at creating the ultimate fighter jet. Below are the key design aspects and features that make the F-22 stand out. Stealth and aerodynamics. Low observability design. The F-22's stealth capabilities are achieved through a combination of shape, materials, and coatings that minimize its radar cross-section, RCS. Serrated edges, radar absorbent materials, or AM, and internal weapon bays contribute to its near invisibility to enemy radar. Aerodynamic excellence. A sleek fuselage and swept-back wings enhance speed and agility. Advanced aerodynamics enable the Raptor to operate effectively at supersonic speeds without afterburners. Supercruise. 2. Advanced propulsion system. Engines. Powered by two Pratt Whitney F119 PW100 turbofan engines. Thrust vectoring. Unique thrust vectoring nozzles allow precise control of engine exhaust, granting exceptional maneuverability. Enables tight turns, rapid climbs, and controlled flight at extreme angles of attack. Supercruise capability. Can sustain supersonic speeds up to Mach 1.8 without afterburners, extending operational range and reducing detectability. 3. State-of-the-art avionics. Radar system, equipped with the N/APG-77 Active Electronically Scanned Array, AESA, radar, offering long-range detection of enemy aircraft and ground targets. High resistance to jamming and electronic countermeasures. Integrated sensor fusion. Data from multiple sensors is combined to provide pilots with a clear and comprehensive picture of the battle space. Electronic warfare. Advanced EW systems protect the aircraft from threats and disrupt enemy operations. 4. Internal weapon bays. Design. Weapons are housed internally to preserve the aircraft's stealth profile. Retractable doors open only briefly during weapon deployment to minimize radar signature. Armament. Air-to-air, AIM-120 AMRAAM and AIM-9 Sidewinder missiles for precision targeting. Air-to-ground, JDAMs and other guided munitions for strike capabilities. 5. Survivability and maintenance. Durability. Designed to withstand harsh operational environments with high survivability rates. Maintenance accessibility. Modular components and diagnostic systems make maintenance more efficient despite the aircraft's complexity. Self-diagnosing systems. Advanced monitoring systems alert ground crews to required repairs, enhancing readiness. 6. Cockpit and pilot interface. Ergonomics. The cockpit is designed for pilot comfort and efficiency during long missions. Displays. A heads-up display, HUD, and multifunction displays, MFDs, provide critical information at a glance. Helmet-mounted systems. Advanced helmet technology integrates targeting systems and situational awareness aids. The F-22 Raptor excels as a fifth-generation stealth fighter designed to dominate air combat while offering multirole capabilities. Its operational prowess lies in its ability to seamlessly perform air superiority, strike, reconnaissance, and deterrence missions. Below are the critical operational capabilities that define the F-22. Air superiority. Unmatched stealth. The F-22's stealth design allows it to infiltrate heavily defended airspace undetected. With a low radar cross-section, RCS, it can eliminate enemy threats before detection. Beyond visual range, BVR, combat. Equipped with advanced radar and long-range missiles, it can engage targets well beyond the visual range of adversaries. Dogfighting excellence. High maneuverability and thrust vectoring engines enable superior performance in close-range engagements. 2. Strike capability. Air-to-ground missions. The Raptor can deliver precision strikes using guided munitions such as JDAMs, Joint Direct Attack Munitions. Its internal weapon bays ensure strike missions maintain stealth integrity. Suppression of enemy air defenses, SEAD. Effective in neutralizing ground-based threats like surface-to-air missile, SAM, systems. 3. Intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, ISR. Real-time data collection. Advanced sensor systems gather and relay critical battlefield intelligence. High-altitude operations. The F-22 operates effectively at high altitudes, providing a strategic advantage in ISR missions. Electronic warfare. Capable of disrupting enemy communications and radar systems, enhancing situational awareness for Allied forces. 4. Speed and range. Supercruise capability. Sustains supersonic speeds without afterburners, allowing rapid response to threats. Extended range. Despite being a tactical fighter, the F-22's design supports long-range operations, aided by aerial refueling capabilities. 5. Multi-role adaptability. Seamless role transitions. The F-22 can switch between air superiority and ground attack roles during a single mission, enhancing operational flexibility. Force multiplier. Functions as a critical asset in joint operations, sharing real-time intelligence with Allied forces and other platforms like the F-35. 6. Combat readiness. Rapid deployment. Its ability to take off quickly and achieve mission readiness makes it indispensable during high-stakes scenarios. High survivability. The F-22's stealth, speed, and agility ensure survival even in contested airspaces. 7. Global presence. Deterrence missions. Demonstrates U.S. air power and deters adversaries through strategic deployments in conflict-prone regions. Allied operations. Participates in multinational exercises to bolster interoperability with Allied air forces. 8. Training and exercises. Red flag and beyond. Proven to dominate in advanced training scenarios, outperforming both adversary aircraft and simulated threats. Pilot training. The F-22's advanced systems demand highly trained pilots, ensuring only elite operators manage combat record and challenges of the F-22 Raptor. The F-22 Raptor, while primarily designed for air superiority during the Cold War era, has demonstrated its operational value in modern combat and strategic missions. Despite its limited use in active combat, the Raptor's capabilities have been integral in maintaining U.S. air dominance and deterring potential threats. The F-22 has been deployed to critical regions to showcase U.S. air power and bolster Allied defenses. These deployments often serve as a deterrent against adversaries in volatile areas. Examples include rotations to the Middle East, the Pacific, and Eastern Europe, where its presence ensures readiness against potential conflicts. The F-22 has consistently proven its dominance in training exercises and live operations, often outperforming both legacy and modern aircraft. Syrian conflict. The F-22 played a crucial role in enforcing no-fly zones and protecting coalition air assets. Demonstrated its stealth and electronic warfare capabilities during missions to suppress enemy air defenses and monitor airspace. The F-22's first recorded air-to-air kill occurred in 2023 when it successfully intercepted and destroyed an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, that posed a threat to Allied forces. Although not designed specifically for counter-UAV missions, the engagement highlighted its precision and adaptability. During operations against ISIS, the F-22 was used in ground attack roles, delivering precision-guided munitions. Its stealth capabilities allowed it to penetrate heavily defended airspace, making it a valuable asset for high-stakes strikes. The F-22 has consistently dominated in advanced training exercises like Red Flag and Northern Edge. Often achieves kill ratios of 20-to-1 or higher against simulated adversaries. Demonstrates superior performance in both offensive and defensive roles. provides critical data and training experience for pilots of other platforms, such as the F-35 and Allied aircraft. Regular patrols in the Pacific and Eastern Europe highlight the F-22's role as a deterrent against aggressive actions from nations like Russia and China. Its deployment sends a strong signal of U.S. military readiness and technological superiority. Due to its high operating costs and strategic value, the F-22 has been reserved for missions where its unique capabilities are essential. This policy ensures its availability for critical scenarios while minimizing wear and tear. While the F-22's combat record is relatively modest, its impact extends beyond direct engagements. Influences the tactics and strategies of both Allied and adversary air forces. Demonstrates the operational value of fifth-generation stealth fighters, shaping future air combat doctrines. Despite being one of the most advanced fighter jets in the world, the F-22 Raptor faces several challenges and limitations that have impacted its deployment, production, and long-term utility. Below is an overview of the key issues. Development costs. The F-22 program cost over $67 billion, averaging approximately $350 million per aircraft when research and development are included. Operating costs. The cost per flight hour exceeds $70,000, making it one of the most expensive fighter jets to operate and maintain. These costs have limited the number of aircraft produced, with only 187 operational units delivered. Program cancellation. Production was halted in 2011 due to high costs and shifting defense priorities, cutting the originally planned fleet size of over 700 aircraft to just 187. Impact. The reduced fleet size limits the F-22's availability for global operations, making it a specialized rather than widely deployed asset. The F-22 is not sold to allied nations due to the Obey Amendment, which prohibits the export of advanced stealth technology. Consequence: Allied air forces cannot integrate the F-22 into joint operations, limiting the potential for global interoperability. This restriction contrasts with the widely exported F-35, reducing the Raptor's influence on Allied military strategies. Stealth maintenance. The radar absorbent coatings require meticulous upkeep, increasing downtime and costs. Aging systems. Some components, like avionics and sensors, require frequent upgrades to remain competitive with modern threats. Logistical challenges. The aircraft's advanced systems demand specialized tools and highly trained personnel for maintenance, further straining resources. The F-22 is optimized for air superiority and has limited multirole capabilities compared to newer aircraft like the F-35. While it can perform ground strikes, its payload capacity and versatility in this role are not as robust as other fighters. Advanced air defenses. The development of advanced radar and missile systems by adversaries, such as Russia's S-400 and China's HQ-9, poses a challenge to the F-22's stealth advantage. Electronic warfare. While equipped with sophisticated EW systems, the F-22 faces increasing threats from adversaries developing counter-EW technologies. Certain systems, like the N/APG-77 radar, are aging and require updates to match the capabilities of modern counterparts. Software upgrades. While upgrades are ongoing, the original architecture of the F-22 makes it less adaptable to new technologies compared to more recent aircraft, like the F-35. The F-22's combat radius of approximately 600 nautical miles without aerial refueling is a constraint in large-scale operations. This limitation impacts its ability to perform long-range missions without support. Over-specialization. The Raptor's focus on air superiority makes it less adaptable in a world where multirole fighters are increasingly prioritized. Deterrence versus deployment. Its high cost and limited numbers often result in the F-22 being used more as a deterrent than in active combat roles. The F-22 Raptor remains a technological marvel and a critical asset in U.S. air power. However, its high costs, limited production, and maintenance demands, coupled with evolving threats and technology, highlight significant challenges. Addressing these issues through upgrades and complementary platforms will be essential to ensuring the F-22's continued relevance in modern and future war.